on the front, you're going to see that you can find slope these two ways, and of course you could use slope formula, which I have kind of overrode and said. So these are the two ways that you're going to find slope, and then I also put a refresher. This is positive because it's going up. This is negative because it's going down. If it's like this, it's a zero slope, and if it's straight up and down, it's undefined. So you're going to use this information to answer these questions. So these are self-explanatory. Just answer the question. This wants you to graph these points and then find the slope, or could you just stack them like this and you stat? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So any of those you can stack them. You can use stat. Be careful on question 4. Do y'all see right here? That is not a point. Does everybody see this? This is a point right here, and this is a point right here. So if you look, it's counting by ones. They just didn't label all the numbers. All right. Change the page. Up here, it wants you to sketch examples of each type of slope. So you're going to sketch an example of a positive, negative, zero, and undefined slope. So you get to make it up. Down here, it wants you to write the letter of each line segment down here in the bucket. So if it has a positive slope, like A, I would put A in this bucket. But there's going to be lots of different letters in that bucket. Does that make sense? Okay, turn the page. Here, what does it ask you to find? No, what does it say? Find the what? Rate of change. What does rate of change really mean? Slope. So if you notice, right here you're going to do the rise over the run, and then of course you're going to simplify it. Yes? Down here, there are lots of different slope. So right here, they're wanting you to find the slope of A, the slope of B, so you can do rise over run. And then it's wanting you to compare their slopes. Does that make sense? Yes or no? Okay. Turn the page. These are all common sense, so those are easy. And then turn to the back. And you'll notice that I did an example for you on the back. It says, find the slope of each line, then solve the riddle by matching the letters to the blank. So everybody, I'm on the very back page, and I don't see y'all with me. Okay, so I did this one for you. Everybody look. I did, the rise was 1, the run was 2. Does everybody see how I did it? It was positive. And so I found any 1/2 up here, and it's going to get the letter A. Do y'all see how that works? So whatever you get here, if I was to get 1/3, then that would be an R, which it's not 1/3, just so y'all know. Okay? And that will answer the why did the duck fly south for the winter. Okay, so that's what you are going to do unless you were absent yesterday. If you were absent yesterday, you're going to take your CBA first, and then you'll do this. Okay? Get busy.
What's the letter by O?
Huh?
The letter by O.
Oh, that's a good question. I'll look it up and let y'all know. Yeah, the hole puncher punched that letter out, so I'm going to look that up. On the last page, right here, this missing letter is an F.